Hello everyone, I'm Wendell Manalo. And today, I want to talk about a topic that affects us all, whether we are students, parents, educators, or policymakers. The question is, does pre-tuition in state universities have a significant impact on the performance of students in college? As we all know, the cost of higher education has been increasing steadily over the years, making it difficult for many students to pursue their dreams. Student debt has become a major concern, with many students graduating with tens of thousands of pesos in debt. This not only affects their financial stability but also their mental health and overall well-being. But what if I told you that there is a solution to this problem? What if I told you that pre-tuition in state universities can have a significant impact on the performance of students in college? Pre-tuition reduces financial stress and anxiety when students are not worried about how they will pay for tuition fees and living expenses. They can focus more on their studies. Research has shown that financial stress can have a significant negative impact on academic performance. By providing free tuition, we can help alleviate this financial burden and create a more conducive learning environment. In fact, a study conducted by National Bureau of Economic Research found that students who received free tuition were more likely to graduate and earn a higher GPAs than students who did not receive free tuition. This is because free tuition provides students with the financial security and peace of mind to focus on their studies and pursue their academic goals. Another is free tuition increase diversity and inclusivity on campus. When tuition is free, students from low-income backgrounds are more likely to enroll and persist in college. This, in turn, can lead to a more diverse and vibrant campus community, which can have numerous benefits for all students, including increase in cultural awareness, improve critical thinking skills, and enhance career opportunities. In fact, a study by the Center for American Progress found that pre-tuition programs can lead to increase in student engagement, motivation, and academic achievement. By providing pre-tuition, we can help level the playing field and create a more inclusive and equitable higher education system. Next is pre-tuition can lead to a better outcomes for academics. When students are not worried about debt and financial stress, they can focus more on their studies and pursue their academic goals. In fact, a study by a journal for higher education found that students who received free tuition were more likely to graduate with honors and pursue advanced degrees than students who did not receive the free tuition. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can afford to provide free tuition to all students? Isn't this just a pipe dream? But the truth is, many countries have already implemented free tuition policies with a great success. Some of the most prosperous and educated countries in the world, such as Germany, Sweden, and Norway, offer free tuition to their citizens. In fact, Germany's experience with pre-tuition has been particularly instructive. Since 2014, Germany has offered pre-tuition to all students, including international students. As a result, Germany has seen a significant increase in enrollment rates. Particularly among low-income students, Germany's experience showed that pre-tuition is not only possible but also effective in promoting accessibility and equilibrium in higher education. In conclusion, pre-tuition in state universities can have a significant impact on the performance of the students in college. Why? Because it reduces financial stress and anxiety, increasing diversity and inclusivity, and leads to a better academic outcomes. It's time for us to rethink our priorities and invest in the future of our young people. Let us work together to make a pre-tuition a reality for all students, regardless of their environment, background, or financial situation. We owe it to ourselves, our children, and our communities to create a more inclusive and equitable higher education system. We owe it also to ourselves to invest in the future of our country and our economy. Let us this dream makes for the pre-tuition to become more realistic and create a brighter future for everyone. Thank you.